Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to add all your Instagram following on Threads. If you open your Instagram app, you'll find all your following right here as you can see on your screen. Now if you want to add all this following on your Threads, all you need to do is just open your Threads app. Now right here on your homepage, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And here on your profile page, if you want to see your followers, tap on the followers right here below your bio. Then you'll find followers, and here you'll find following. As you can see, 7 following. See others you're following on Instagram that you're not following on Threads yet. And if we tap on this pending, you'll find accounts you want to follow that haven't joined Threads yet will appear here. Now, if you want to see all that Instagram following, so tap on the two lines at the top right corner of your screen. And then from here, tap on follow and invite friends. Then tap on follow accounts from Instagram. Then right here, as you can see, follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. Then you'll find all your Instagram following right here. Then if you want to add a following, all you need to do is tap that follow. Or if you want to follow these all, so just tap the button right here. It says follow all, and then all of the Instagram following will add up on your Threads app. As you can see, a message shows up right here saying you'll start following those who are public on Threads, and a request will be sent to those who are private. You'll automatically follow others when they join Threads. So once you've done, you can now tap on confirm. Then if you go back to your profile page and try to find that pending, right here you'll find all your pending requests that you want them to follow on Threads app. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.